a more than a century-old financial institution. We have come a long way to be one of the largest and strongest insurance company. So what does a history of more than a century mean? It means we were established way back in the 1890s and been serving customers ever since. Since then, we were there for our customers during great calamities, such as the great 1906 San Francisco earthquake and the tragedy of the Titanic in 1912. We remain resilient despite the several global financial crises. Many also did not know that we protected Hollywood productions, from Charlie Chaplin to Harry Potter, and the latest Marvel superhero films. We were there then and will continue to be here and now to secure millions around the world who have entrusted us with their future. As the world's #1 insurer, rest assured we protect you from A to Z. Our financial strength is backed by strong financial ratings. Our strong foundation ensures that we can fulfill our commitments during the good times and also the difficult times. Here in Malaysia, we are equally committed to protect our customers from A to Z at all times. We have grown to be one of the largest insurers and a trusted brand in Malaysia. Our customers will always remain as our utmost priority in everything we do. So go ahead and make the most of your life and let us be your trusted life companion to take care of your financial securities. Allianz will be with you always.